This is not a threat, eh? This is the action and it's a promise. Listen to what I explain it here. You take the 73. Take the 3 kilo. Drop back the 70. I go tell you where to drop the 70. Close your eye. And pray for next day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's your son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Good morning, everybody. Big shout out to everyone. Now, I have some more update on this robbery with lean back them, take the cartel them thing. Now, look at this picture. That's the leader of the Adolfo cartel. This is the cartel the man thinks where the man them take. May I prove it to you now. May I play a part of the voice note which part him say, listen, this is the Adolfo cartel. But before me do that, look right here. May I show you the read up on this guy. Now look at the picture right there in front of you. You guys can read along with me. I am bad at pronunciation, but let me give this a shot. It says Jose Adolfo Marcias Vadamar, also known alias is Fito, is an Ecuadorian drug lord and the current leader of the Los Llaneros cartel. He has assumed leadership in 2020 following the murder of his predecessor George Lewis. Now this is the man, things with the man them take. Now I am gonna fast forward the voice note and I'm gonna play the clip from the voice note where he's explaining this to lean back and the other unknown people them who take the man coke. Then after that, I'm gonna reveal some more pictures. So yo, wanna stay tuned, Panda Wanya.
Jack is not the owner of this material. You understand what I'm telling you, big man? The owner of this material is the cartel the Golfo in Colombia. You understand what I'm telling you?
No, that's what the man say in the voice note. Wanna just hear the voice note. Now, let's move along to some of the new players them in this thing right here. Look at that picture right there. You see where the green arrow there? That boy name is Kendall and him is the one who get the coke. Now, if you look, you see a lady on the right side and a lady on the left side in our shorts. And the lady on the shorts, you see who she's with? She's with Scarecrow, Kent, so-called S-Bad. You understand? So, when you see the dynamics, now, the youth in the black with the green arrow, like me say, him a Kendall and him get the coke and him associated with Scarecrow and him associated with Leanback. All of them work together. May I explain some more thing. As a matter of fact, let me show you a clearer picture of the bottom feeder here. Now that's a clearer picture. Now in the voice note, the man is addressing this boy here, Kendall, and he's also addressing Leanback and Scarecrow. You understand? So you have another player named Jack. Me we don't get a play of the picture yet. But this boy a Kendall, him have the bar in a Martinique, and him have him wife, him kids, him mother, and the man also a direct the thing towards all of them. So I just want to understand what's going on. Yo, this cartel brother, the man them is actively pursuing Kendall, Leanback, and Scarecrow, and amongst other people. Check this out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Look at that message right there. It said, do you know who was that? Tomorrow we will talk about it if you know. Who has it? Send it, I will reward you. The material Kendall and Trent and Tent have it. If you help me, I can reward you. Tomorrow we'll talk better. And we will leave without a signal. So, listen. You have man and man out there actively pursuing them things, yo. And the man them want them things. The man them are link people from all boat. Them know say, them know how Kendall them work. Now, you how the man them work. Now to explain it too now. Now, look at that picture right there. But before me talk about that, me have to say this. I want to know, say, you see Teletubby and Scarecrow and Kendall, them boy them not illiterate. The man them can read, them can write, the man them have sense. They are very intelligent. But what them do now, them put them intelligence to diabolical means. So you have to understand that about that kuya. Now, let me tell you about them. Toby, him in the middle, him are the operation manager. Kendall on the left, him are the master thief. In there Martinique, they are doing thing, a wait for, find something for thief, cause him run a bar and probably some other business. Him and him thiefing friend them. Now, once the cartel or a man give them something, in this case the cartel give him something, him thief it. Martinique too hard for sell it, so what him do now, him send it back to St. Lucia to the operation manager, and then on the left side, on the right side, sorry, you have Scarecrow, him are the assistant operation manager. So now, once the coke reach back to St. Lucia, it is now gonna go be packaged and sent to Europe, Canada, and America. You understand? And also the man them do it. Now, there is another phenomena that I wanted to speak on real quick. And the fact that the thing is leaving Martinique, them are send it now. The master thief are send it go to St. Lucia. 30 minutes by boat, you know, or maybe an hour. Have you guys ever noticed that in St. Lucia, you never have a drug bus at the airport? Let me shout it out one more time. In St. Lucia, I have never ever seen them have a drug bus or somebody get caught trying to take drugs out of the island to go abroad. Never. Now that's kind of interesting. Don't ask me. I guess St. Lucia is the safest airport in terms of if you want to travel and stop drugs, because there has never been a drug bus. No, that's a crazy phenomenon, believe me. Now, I hope I break it down properly to Uno and see the infographics there. Kendall Master Thief, take it, give it to Toby Lucia and assistant manager Scarecrow, and then them take it and distribute it. You understand? And that's how them run them operation plain as day. Now, with that said, since lean back and scarecrow of certain things, so now you know so them have man in the city of Castries and throughout St. Lucia who them are gonna supply. I'm quite sure right now you have enough man sit down and wait upon them to say, yo, if or maybe them already have it out there that distribute. And believe me, anybody betting upon this, I am going to win you all. So this is the breakdown. Very serious. Me still keep me ears to the ground. You hear what the cartel them say. The man them want them things. And them serious. Them are gonna keep add more on top of more. The man them say them have 450. Yo, are the principle of the thing. The man them very diabolical. Now with that said, remember I have 2 interviews coming up. So only stay tuned for the interviews to the channel. Just keep tuned to the channel. And let me know what y'all think about this piece that going on right here. And I'ma drop an overall video upon this situation, because this seems like it's gonna be a long haul, and it's gonna be a series of video coming out about Teletubby, Scarecrow and Kendall, the Master Thief, and you have another one named Tent, T-E-N-T, and because remember the Master Thief now, you know, him there, I think a Martinique, and roping the food through other man, and then boom, then yam it, send it to Lucia. Yo, I also hear that some law enforcement officer, before I go, might be complicit in this situation too. So, Mr. Guard, keep your eyes open for this situation, because this situation might turn bloody in St. Lucia, and we don't know if St. Lucia is ready for the Adolfo cartel. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.